So in these 5 pictures, we have 5 text along, and we have to match the text with the pictures. So just pay attention to the first picture. What do you think he's doing? It's being done here.
Often.
Is selling something.
He's buying.
Buying
Often.
something. Okay.
Fleisch kaufen.
Looks like
Perhaps he's at Metzger. Which shop he's at right now?
Mm.
Which shop he's at?
meat.
Fleisch. Fleisch.
Metzgerei. 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 He's buying some meat. Okay. This is
So wine.
Liquor shop.
liquor shop. I knew it. Liquor is the only thing which is going to come to our mind. Okay, this one.
Buying ticket.
Buying tickets. I can see this machine, cash machine. You know, she is just billing. Perhaps is it cash counter? Maybe.
Mhm.
Okay. This picture.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. No, he's at pharmacy. I can see some cans lying here. I can see some cans lying here and some sort of bags, but I cannot see the medicines.
Supermarket.
Supermarket. But what is going on here? We need to find out. What is this guy trying to say? He's signaling. He's giving him some indication. Okay, go there. You'll find it there. Maybe he's asking something. Where do I get? And he's trying. The man in white is trying to help him out. Okay, you'll find it over there, right? Can be.
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay. Let's see. We are going to listen to the first audio, and we try to find out which picture this audio can relate to. This is my track number 35. Yeah.
Eins. Entschuldigung, ich brauche einen Euro für den Einkaufswagen. Können Sie wechseln, bitte?
Ja, Moment. Hier bitte.
Danke.
Thank you. Now, what is Einkaufswagen? Einkaufswagen is shopping cart. In Amazon, you order something, there is the option at the top right, that cart. That is Einkaufswagen. Entschuldigung, ich brauche einen Euro. What could be the article of Euro? Der Euro.
There.
That is why it is einen. Ich brauche einen Euro für den Einkaufswagen. What could be the article of Einkaufswagen?
D.
No. D remains D.
There.
There. Only there becomes
there,
there. Yeah. I need an article. I need Euro for the shopping cart. Können Sie bitte wechseln? Can you please change it? Wechsel is change. You give note, you take coins. You give 100 rupee note, you take 10 notes. That's called wechseln. Können Sie wechseln? Bitte. Please, can you please change it? Ja, Moment. Here bitte. Yeah, one moment. Here, please. Right? Which picture out of these 5 can relate to this text?
D.
D.
Correct. Now in D, I can see he is giving some sort of notes, and I can see the shopping carts at the back, right? So it's D, correct. Let's listen to audio number 2 and try to find out what picture. This
Manoj,
text.
just one
Yes.
query. What is shopping cart?
Say again, shopping cart.
Oh.
Shopping cart is
trolley which we
that's trolley, right? You go to supermarket, you carry
Yeah,
one
yeah,
trolley with
trolley.
you. That's called shopping
Yeah,
cart.
so there are two things, right? One with the wheels and one which we carry. So both are the same.
No, wagon. No, wagon is always with the wheel.
Okay,
Wagon is going to be with the wheel.
okay.
Okay.
And the one which we carry, that is what?
That is called Einkaufskorb, bucket. Korb.
Oh,
Article is same there.
there. Okay.
Okay, let's find out. I am sure it's there. It can be Das Corp too, but I'm sure it's their Corp. Okay. That bucket, that basket you're talking about, right? That's called Einkaufskorb.
Okay.
1. Entschuldigung, ich brauche einen Euro für den Einkaufswagen. Können Sie wechseln, bitte?
Ja, Moment. Hier bitte.
Danke.
So we listen all the audios in a stretch and find out in the end.
2. Entschuldigung, was kostet der Apfelsaft?
99 Cent.
Und wie viel kostet der Orangensaft?
1,09 €.
3.
Wer kommt dran?
Ich bitte.
Was möchten Sie?
Ich möchte ein Stück Emmentaler, bitte.
Sonst noch etwas?
Ja, ich nehme noch 150 Gramm Schinken.
Ist das alles?
Ja, danke.
4.
Entschuldigung, wo finde ich Reis?
Dort rechts.
Danke.
5.
Ich brauche noch eine Tüte, bitte.
Hier bitte. Die kostet 15 Cent. Das macht dann 18,65 €. Brauchen Sie den Kassenzettel?
Ja, bitte.
Okay. Which picture could relate to text number 2? Was kostet? What is that term? Was kostet? What is this term? Was kostet?
Asking the price.
The cost.
The verb is kosten. Es kostet 5 Euro. Es kostet 7 Euro. To cost. So what could be the question? What is the cost of apple juice? Was kostet der Apfelsaft? What's the cost of apple juice? Und wie viel kostet der Orangensaft? And how much? Wie viel is how much? How much? 1,09 €. Which picture?
E.
Correct. I can see the bottle of orange juice, or these are some sort of oranges here. Text 3. Wer kommt dran? That means who's next. Wer kommt dran? The guy is saying, Ich bitte. What is that question? Was möchten Sie?
So
What
Manoj,
would
you
Kommt
do?
Daran will always come together. Kommt Daran. Who's next?
No, that is dran. That's difficult. You're talking about. Es kommt darauf. Dran is like who's next.
Okay.
Where kommt dran is typically referring to the statement who's next, please. Or you can also write, you can also express it this way. Ich möchte ein Stück Emmentaler. Emmentaler is again cheese quality. That's again some sort of cheese. Bitte. Sonst noch etwas. What is sonst noch etwas? It is referring to anything else, please. Sonst noch etwas is referring to anything else, please. Yeah, Ich nehme noch 150 Gramm Schinken. I take another 150 gram of chicken. Schinken. Ist das alles? What could this mean?
Is that all?
Is this everything? Yeah, danke. Which picture?
B.
B.
That's
B.
correct. It's B. Okay. Next one is Entschuldigung, wo finde ich Reis? Dort rechts.
C.
That's correct. He is signaling right there. The last one. Ich brauche noch eine Tüte. Ich brauche noch eine Tüte. I need one more bag. Tüte is carry bag. Tüte is carry bag. Hier bitte. Die kostet 15 Cent. Die kostet 15 Cent. Das macht dann 18,65 Euro. Whenever you refer to these terms, 18, we always use comma. We say comma. So 100 rupees and 50 paisa. That's, and we use here, it's Germans use 18,65 Euro. Brauchen Sie den Kassenzettel? What is brauchen?
Need.
Need. Kassenzettel is cash receipt. You need cash receipt too? Ja, bitte. Okay. What are the new words you found in these 5 texts?
Einkaufswagen.
Einkaufswagen is another one. First one, yes.
Apfelsaft, Orangesaft.
Apfelsaft, Orangensaft,
Wechseln.
wechseln. Make list of all the verbs we found in this text. Let's make list of all the words we found in this text. So
Schinken.
correct. First we did Einkaufswagen. Wechseln. Schinken you said. Okay. Tutor was one verb. Brauchen was one verb. Okay. What else did we learn?
Emmentaler.
Apfelsaft. Emmentaler. Yeah. Emmentaler. Okay. Apfelsaft. Orangensaft. Okay. Kassenzettel. Kassenzettel. Einkaufszettel, that we have also learned. Einkaufszettel. Okay. What else did we learn?
Tutor.
Tutor. We have note down. We have
Tutor.
done kosten.
Okay.
Kosten verb. Okay. And what else did we learn? We learned one phrase, sonst noch etwas. Sonst noch etwas. Ist das alles? This is one more thing. Ist das alles? We learned that too.
We feel costed. We also learned that.
We feel costed as correct. This is another. We feel costed. Whatever object. Wo finde ich? This is one more question. Wo finde ich? If you go there, where do I find that? Where do I find this? Wo finde ich? Right? We are going to listen to this audio wherein we need to practice the sound of a, u. What's the sound of a, Ü. Three important umlauts where every learner face challenges. And trust me, even till B2, till C1, people struggle with these sounds a lot. They have tendency of pronouncing it as A, AO. They say AO, AO, EU. Funny. A, U, A, U. Three sounds. Let's listen to this audio and practice.
Aufgabe 9b.
Arzt. Züge. Frankreich.
1 second, it's not that one.
Französisch.
Aufgabe 9a.
Apfel, Äpfel. Saft, Säfte. Brot, Brötchen. Ich esse viel Gemüse. Wir frühstücken zusammen. Wir brauchen Öl. Ich kaufe Käse.
See that? Käse, Öl, Frühstücken. Ich esse viel Gemüse. Okay. This exercise, we have 3 images, 3 pictures, and 3 text. Okay. We are going to listen to the audio and find out which text belong to which picture. Again, before we listen to this one, just read the content there. Picture 1. Picture 1. Text 1. Guten Appetit. Danke. Gleichfalls. What is gleichfalls and what is Guten Appetit? Guten Appetit is a kind of greeting when people, Germans, they eat or they start eating, they always wish everyone Guten Appetit. Same like Bon Appetit or have a nice meal. Guten Appetit. Danke. Gleichfalls. Gleichfalls is the return. Same to you. Gleichfalls. So if someone wishes you anything, have a good day. Gleichfalls. You can simply return it back. Gleichfalls. Das Fleisch schmeckt sehr gut. Schmeckt. Schmecken is the verb taste. It tastes very well. Okay, let's listen to this audio.
Aufgabe 10a. 1.
Guten Appetit.
Danke, gleichfalls.
Danke.
Danke, gleichfalls.
Das Fleisch ist gut.
Ja, das Fleisch schmeckt sehr gut.
2.
Möchtest du Salat?
Nein, danke. Ich esse keine Tomaten.
3.
Möchtet ihr noch ein Würstchen?
Ja, gerne. Die Würstchen sind wirklich lecker.
Und du, Mario?
Nein, danke, ich bin satt.
Okay, which picture belongs to text 1?
B.
B. Okay. Picture 2.
A.
No, C.
Say.
C.
Yeah. Mr. Salat, we can see
See.
this guy is trying to serve some salad and she's saying, no, I don't eat tomatoes. Okay. And picture 3, bill number 3.
A.
That goes to A. Correct. Thank you. So these are few of the greetings Germans use very often. Prost zum Wohl. So when you know cheers, you having drinks and you wish someone cheers. So they say Prost. Prost. They don't say cheers. Prost. And zum Wohl. Zum Wohl is to your wellness, to your good health. Guten Appetit is they wish when they try to eat something. Mahlzeit, this is again, it's meal time. Meal time. So you're working, it's your break time, 1 o'clock, it's your lunch time. So you say, hey, Malside. Mahlzeit.
Manoj,
Okay.
Prost means cheers.
Cheers. Right.
Okay, okay.
Ich mag keinen Fisch. Okay, let's do one thing. This is 11:24. Let's have a short break of 6 minutes. Would you mind that? And then we continue.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure, Manoj.
Or let's do one thing. Let's finish this audio. Let's finish this audio, and then we go for the break. Ich mag keinen Fisch. I don't like fish. What we are supposed to do, we are going to listen to 3 audios, and we need to find out what these people do not like. Der Mann mag keinen. Die Frau trinkt gern. Die Frau isst gern. Okay, they're going to give their preferences. We need to find out and try to understand. The first one. This is my 40 bis 41.
Aufgabe 11a. 1.
Guten Tag. Was darf ich Ihnen bringen?
Tja, ich weiß auch nicht.
Wir haben heute ganz frischen Fisch.
Ach nein, ich esse nicht gerne Fisch. Ich nehme lieber das Steak.
Gerne. Und zu trinken?
Eine Cola bitte.
Okay, what he does not like? What he does not like?
Can we hear it once again, please?
Yeah, sure.
Aufgabe 11a. 1.
Guten Tag. Was darf ich Ihnen bringen?
Tja, ich weiß auch nicht.
Wir haben heute ganz frischen Fisch.
Ach nein, ich esse nicht gerne Fisch. Ich nehme lieber das Steak.
Gerne. Und zu trinken?
Eine Cola bitte.
Fish. He doesn't
Fish.
eat.
Der Mann mag keinen Fisch. Correct. Okay. 42. Next one.
3.
No.
Endlich Pause. Möchtest du auch ein Stück Schokolade?
2.
Hallo Maria, komm doch rein. Wie geht's denn?
Gut, ich komme gerade vom Sport. Mensch, habe ich Durst.
Was möchtest du denn trinken? Magst du Orangensaft?
Ja, Orangensaft wäre super.
Moment, bin gleich wieder da.
Orange Saft.
Orange.
Orangensaft.
Correct. Last one.
3.
Endlich Pause. Möchtest du auch ein Stück Schokolade?
Nein, danke.
Was? Du magst keine Schokolade?
Doch, ich esse sehr gerne Schokolade, aber ich mache gerade eine Diät.
Oh, du Armer. Na gut, dann kann ich mehr essen.
Ist gern?
Chocolate.
Chocolade. Correct. Correct. Let's take a short break. Let's get back by 11:35, 7 minutes. You can grab your cup of coffee, tea, whatever. I'll also do the same. Or the meeting is going to be end in 10 minutes. That's what the message says. We connect sharp after, sharp at 35. This talk is also going to be over. See you at 11:35.